You can hear the compression too.
Oh damn. That's what a motor with 1,000,000 miles looks like. Talk about high compression. Got the custom rainbow fucking crankshaft. Damn. Even as a piece of shit, it's still fucking good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's TDC right there.
Top dead center. Not fucking with that old motor anymore.
Yeah.
We got something nicer.
That's top dead center. Oh wait, actually, that's top dead center. And then
Damn.
bottom dead is like crazy.
It's got a lot of fucking compression.
Yeah, that's bottom dead center.
This thing's about to just start running like a diesel.
I know.
Runaway diesel. Yep. Fucking stupid ass plastic timing chain guides. You gotta stop that, BMW.
Compression, exhaust, ignition, combustion. Damn. You can kind of like feel all the cycles.
It's pretty sick. 4-cycle motor. Just gotta hook all this shit up and we'll be booling.